Welcome to our comparison of the L7C Pro and hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizers. Today, we will dive into the features, pros and cons, and overall performance of these two popular options for TikTokers and YouTubers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, this video will help you decide which gimbal is the best fit for your needs. The L7C Pro KIT is priced at $99, making it an affordable option for those starting out in video creation. In contrast, the hohem iSteady M7 comes with a higher price tag of $299, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the L7C Pro is budget-friendly, the iSteady M7 offers more versatility for serious content creators. The L7C Pro KIT offers essential features such as magnetic AI tracking and a fill light, making it suitable for beginners. However, the hohem iSteady M7 boasts advanced features like a 1.4-inch detachable touchscreen remote, built-in extension pole, and superior stabilization. These enhancements make the iSteady M7 a more powerful tool for professional videography. The L7C Pro is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for anyone to start filming right away. Its lightweight and portable design is perfect for on-the-go content creation. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady M7, while slightly heavier, offers a more versatile shooting experience with its touchscreen remote and extended functionalities, catering to both beginners and experienced users. In conclusion, both the L7C Pro and hohem iSteady M7 have their strengths and weaknesses. The L7C Pro is a great entry-level gimbal for those on a budget, while the iSteady M7 provides advanced features for more serious videographers. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.